Forms. Every business needs them, but let's face it, most of them are a pain to fill out. Confusing, clunky, and time-consuming forms aren't just annoying. They drive your customers away. Whether it's a customer feedback form, a booking request, or an order form, poorly designed forms mean frustrated customers and lost opportunities. Forms aren't just paperwork. They're how your business communicates, captures interest, and builds relationships. The problem isn't having forms. It's having forms that don't work. At MarketinGear, we create forms that work for you. Simple, intuitive, fast. Whether it's for customer feedback, order requests, or appointment scheduling, our forms streamline your processes and make every interaction count. We design sleek, easy-to-use forms that don't just look good. They improve communication and boost efficiency for your business. Ready to improve your business forms and make every interaction count? Let MarketinGear handle it for you. Simple forms, happy customers, better results.